part. So bright out. It was so cold last night and now it's like nice again. It's weird. So guys, right now I'm gonna meet up with my boy John and Oscar, both Mazda Speed boys. Best Mazda Speeds around. Look at that cutie. Just Oscar in his natural habitat. Yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir. We just pulled up to the car wash, guys. This guy right here. Ooh, sexy. Then we got the other Mazda Speed boy over here, but I don't think you guys can see him just yet.
Because Windsor has it fucked up.
Fuck Windsor, bro.
For real.
Todavía estamos en Windsor.
But it's the fake spring.
Facts. I don't even think we've ever had a spring. The best Mazda Speed boys.
No, that's not me. It's stock. Stock and falling apart.
Stock and falling apart.
If anybody knows where to find these bumper clips, I need a new one. I need a new bracket.
Alright guys.
Let me know.
Am I gonna get in the Mazda Speed?
Yeah, put them in the phone.
El palo? Damn, I don't wanna get it dirty, bro.
We got the weather check anyway.
Feels different. You have the short shifter?
Short shift plate.
Oh shit. I feel cool. This feels race car. Alright, who's gonna trade?
Huh?
Who's gonna trade?
Who's gonna trade what?
Oh, this is my new Mazda Speed, guys.
Thank you.